How many of us end up in the tactical day-to-day stuff within our businesses and we lose sight of some of the strategy? We might have written a business plan when we formed our business, but that's long ago been filed away in the bottom of a drawer and we probably don't know where to find it. Well, in this AI-driven workshop, I'm going to be showing you how you can put a strategy together to use AI to unlock the potential of your business. And I'm going to show you some practical insights, some actionable strategies, and I'm going to pull together all of the content that I've delivered in the previous AI workshops so that you can put together a plan to drive your business forward, whether it's operations, whether it's strategy, whether it's analysing trends, whatever it is, whether it's marketing. There's a whole heap of things that I've shown you how you can use AI for. And this masterclass will pull everything together so that you end up with a plan on driving your business forward and you can set to work on it immediately after the workshop. So please book on. It's going to be a really, really useful session, I think, for everybody, regardless of where you're at with your business. And I look forward to seeing you then.